Today we're unboxing the Anker Nano Power Bank, a compact powerhouse in this stunning ice lake blue. As we reveal the Anker Nano, notice its sleek design. This isn't just about its looks, it's about performance too. Unique to this model is the built-in USB-C cable. It's all the convenience, letting you charge your devices and the power bank itself without any extra cables. Now let's talk about speed. With 30-watt bi-directional charging, you can boost this power bank to 50% in just 45 minutes. And for your iPhone 14, go from 0 to 50 in just half that time. Its size is impressive. All just over 4 inches long and 2 inches wide, it's the epitome of portable power, and it packs a 10,000 milliamp capacity, keeping you charged throughout the day. That's charging almost any phone on the market today over twice. Anker isn't just about tech, they're about the planet too. This power bank uses 80% post-consumer recycled plastic, reducing carbon emissions without compromising quality. Inside the box, along with this sleek power bank, you'll find a welcome guide, 24-month warranty, and Anker's friendly customer service promise. The Anker Nano Power Bank in Ice Lake Blue. Stylish, powerful, and eco-conscious. Ready to power your life on the go.